Like the stars that shine at night, steel has witnessed the history of mankind. And now, the iron heart of steel is beating for a new tomorrow. Welcome to Pohang Works, the root and heart of the Korean steel industry. Let's take a look at how steel is produced through iron making, steel making, and continuous casting processes. The first step in making steel is the iron making process, where iron ore are melted and turned into molten iron. Iron ore and coal are imported from around the world and unloaded onto the raw materials dock. In order for proper heat transfusion to occur in the blast furnace, the iron ore and coal must be solidified from their powder form. The process of solidifying iron ore is called sintering. Meanwhile, the process of solidifying coal is called coking. The pre-treated iron ore and coal are stacked in layers into a 100-meter tall blast furnace. Then hot air at 1,200 degrees Celsius is blown into the blast furnace, causing the coal to burn. The heat melts the iron ore to create molten iron at a temperature of 1,500 degrees Celsius. Posco was the first in the world to commercialize a more economical and eco-friendly method of steelmaking compared to a blast furnace. The Finex method uses low-grade iron ore and coal directly to create molten iron. The next step is the steelmaking process, where impurities are eliminated from the molten iron to produce crude steel. The molten iron created in the blast furnace contains various impurities that diminishes its strength and durability once it is hardened to steel. Therefore, a process of removing the impurities while the molten iron is in liquid form is necessary. The molten iron from the blast furnace is transported into a torpedo car and poured into a converter furnace. In the converter furnace, pure oxygen is added to burn off substances such as carbon, phosphorus, and sulfur to create purified molten steel. At this point, the temperature and substance composition of the molten steel is precisely adjusted according to the customer's various demands. Pouring the molten steel into molds and cooling it into solid steel creates a semi-finished material, ready to be made into finished steel products. The solid steel is categorized depending on its shape. Slabs are wide and flat, blooms are rectangular bars, and billets are thinner square bars. The final stage of producing steel is the continuous casting process, where steel is forged into various steel products. When a slab is heated above 1,100 degrees Celsius and passed between rollers, it turns into a thin and long steel sheet. This hot-rolled product is used widely as construction materials and pipes in various industries. Cold-rolled products, which are created by making hot-rolled products thinner at room temperature, are used in general appliances, barrels, and automobile frames. Coated steel, which is created by coating cold-rolled products with zinc, is used in high-end appliances, office equipment, and automobile exteriors. Electrical steel plates, which improves electromagnetic properties by adding silicon during the steel manufacturing process, are used in transformers and motors. Steel plates, which are thick and rectangular in shape, are used in large structures such as buildings, vessels, and oil pipelines. When a billet is heated over 1,000 degrees Celsius and passed through a roll with a round hole, it turns into a thin and long wire rod, which is used as automobile tire cords, wires for bridges, piano strings, and underwater cables. At the stainless steel plants, which is equipped with additional production facilities, nickel and chrome are added to steel to produce stainless steel products, which are used in kitchen appliances, medical equipment, exterior walls, and roofs of buildings. As you can see, Posco steel products are used in every part of our daily lives and in countless industries, ranging from smartphones in our hands to satellites floating in space. Pohang Works is a next-generation eco-friendly steel works driving innovations in steel technology, leading in the production of high-quality products and the development of new technologies by operating a state-of-the-art R&D center. Pohang Works also operates a production monitoring center that monitors the production process 24/7 and an environmental center that monitors the emissions of environmental pollutants in real time. Ushering in a new era of steel technologies with an endless passion for steel. Pohang Works.